Right now we're looking at a set of import OEM replacement injectors. These are actually made in the USA supposedly. You can see it there a little bit. I've ran a lot of these injectors before and they are almost all the same, but supposedly these are supposed to be different and flow matched and meet or exceed OEM specs, but we will see shortly that that is just not the case. As you can see, the injector spray pattern is way off between all of them. We'll check flow rates next, but these are basically a waste of time and money. These were originally supposed to replace the Bosch 0280150036. That's this guy here, found on, well, most commonly, Mercury 2.5 race motors. Originally they were found on some BMW, or not BMW, Mercedes and Volvos back in the early 60s. That's the part number right there. I would not recommend that in any shape or form as a replacement. These are the Intermotor SMP junk.